What's up, my people? Hey, Hotbox will come again with another brakata where you go scatter una brain anytime this una watch this video. When I tell una say I mean business, I mean business. I there for this street now for just for the Congosa. Anything where the happen for me for bring up for una doorstep, una no stress. Because una legit Congosa block there for year. For una doorstep, you understand no? Any man get calling, and then they bring man a private life, can't insult for you. No be me no. I be hotbox. I be very responsible lady. But if you want mess with me or try for mingle me, I dey pull you for water. You understand? I dey keep my crown for down air. Me I use zeng. If I use na bad coach, I go use the more immoral word than pass you. That's so hotbox day. And the meaning that of beshkele. Very humble people, respectable people, well-to-do, educated people, but can be radical at the same time. That is the meaning of beshkele. You understand? For the other one, I want them to understand. Yes, my people. When I come for social media, I can't tell you, I can't give you a reason, and I give you a reason why problem. What do I talk say? In my class, I can take this opportunity for say thumbs up for my class. In my class, appreciate the big five and appreciate Mommy Venkat, General Overseer, for which we play for social media, and it reached for 10 in my class to behave so matured. It reached for 10, it behaved so matured. Friendship for me is a scam. You understand? If you know, so one day they come up with good one, but so one day they come up with bad. But inside this saga, if you worry, if you never know your friend, then when I get people, they want the reason to get that the same. You understand? We don't always get problem. So he appreciate the big five for whatsoever, for their quietness and their silence, and he appreciate Mommy Venkat. Then when he reach return, it to behave maturely. In my class, your place is there. No man is zeng with that one. You understand? No. So when I run, he say he go now for reach 4,000 subscribers for inside before the year will end. So my best kid and them, when I go support in my class. Now so the positive bloggers who they we. That you wanna shout out, do all things because we know how they should print. A person that don't stay for the street, you know how where the street it play. My people, a lot of things they bring me out today. You know, say when my class become out, it give some hints, go pick some video for the Tibet channel where the Tibet Chwe talk for what a full washer. When I feel say I just know much Chwe talk because he know the person we don't deal with them. In my class, they don't stay for that camp. They know who be the Tibet, and we will be the preacher. Who they see them with distance, but they don't stay. They know who be the Tibet. It come out. It was the Tibet and what a must get problem. When I go now, Mrs. Now the Ogbonto, I go carry out my investigation. I dig and down so I can discover say yes, there was a problem where it go on for the Tibet. It come where it for inside grander scam people will get sub cam them for inside that grander scam. Now that the Tibet, even the Tibet, if I lie, you debunk me. So you never use a lot of word they for talk say behind them and the positive blogger they stand. So even a wait they stand. The Tibet don't talk countless time. It don't talk countless time for back for different people them. It blast grand at them every day for a back camera. Me I dey talk because the Tibet you don't talk for the person where I know the person. You did get no? Yes. So for inside grander scam, they get sub camp them. Hotbox is inside their group. Me, I be born to you. I know the meaning of I be spirits. If I want to know something, I didn't know them. Now never say way what a fool spiritual level, you know, rich. Now fly where they just make noise, so you knock you go the hand for nothing. You understand? I just fly. I just social media gree. I just social media gra. Where they can make up for social media. You understand? No? Where if you put their hand, you know, if you reach, if for people tell that in position. But if you don't say the poverty for don't, you don't say we don't sleep na for street. But if you come out, can talk say, maybe Roy Mama they don't look and say it don't always coach them. May they go support. But see, they can preach free Bible. The fear of hotbox to preach Bible. I talk just zeng. I get to the camp. I just for my introduction. I just try for zeng. I try 5 minutes for zeng. Then I come tell na wait it bring me for you. I want to analyze the last video. He say. If the Roy Mama no look say don't ever insult Roy Mama, it was starting out for some charity case for your own person no get place for stay for Douala, may they can contribute money for save the person. Not thief that's a sign of thievery. May they can contribute money. Don't find when don't call Roy Mama so you don't already call Roy Mama. You don't can stand and say you want to make a contribute money for your platform. May they forget about you. Then you turn that time problem they the Tibet no ever trust you and you no ever trust the Tibet. things and the way you don't talk about the Tibet and things that the Tibet don't talk about you. When the Tibet, I don't want to go through details. For the better, I will talk for give una the reason why the Tibet they fight. Now 2 reasons for this video. I'll give una 1 reason why they fight with the Tibet. Then on Tuesday I'll give una the 2nd reason why go loud. Una don't miss Tuesday show for no reason. Una don't miss them for no reason. Una no say thing where hot box they talk. I dey tell una na true. I say if I talk I add Maggie so small one. We say I know what I mean. They know say my source come out and I'ma drone them. Na my priority. I dey lock my drone them. You better put gun for my head and for tell you my drone them. Na me have a hot box. Yes. But of course I go for a platform. He start tell Lady B say me Lady B can apologize. Me Lady B like say I get talk. Like say the advice like good person. He talk he run him up. So if Lady B can talk me he never apologize. Why Lady B go apologize? Yeah, no, the Lady B go sleep with bed apologize, mommy. Yeah, mommy last. Ma give some more caution. You know, you decrease. You don't forget the time they take for your platform. You sort Lady B. You are comment them. I will pass for you. They say they are comment them. They insult Lady B. Say go handle Lady B. You go make life to Lady B head. You see B. You want to try for B. I love back with the Tibet. The Tibet no want to because there are a lot of reasons. You don't fight. You don't clash. The Tibet don't do it. Don't see who be you. But the Tibet is shame now. For can stand for community for top. Because they say oh man the running the officer na be the bad man. For every grander scammer people they still get the play on part for granders. But a lot the pass now for grander committee there because they get a lot of sub cam them inside grander scam. A lot of sub cam where all man belong. All man want to say now me a be closer to Grandsville. Now me I know the grander platform. Now me I the control Grander's platform. Now they think that way it go on for Grander's platform. Now they get a lot of sub platform them. So but a full washer, it don't cost a lot of things them. The Tibet don't do them. The Tibet don't try for we don't brainwash a lot of people there. But don't think that way it bring me for you. But about pass information what a full washer say wait come and knock at any man door anytime. And it come and it waste time for visit you. You need to waste time. You get reason where you clash with the Tibet. And the first reason why I will tell you for you where he clash with the Tibet or why way he resign the brand now because of a boss Wendy. People don't ask me say hotbox why Wendy that is CEO of that product. When I see people they quiet they talk na devun them. Wendy you are a devun. You first have to say Tyra shout. The lady was shouting. If you shout for my head, it will control me. I don't know me how to talk here. That's why you pretend, oh man, sorry you. They want drag you, boy, your family will die for you. You can't cry for me. They how you lost your sister. They leave you Wednesday. But if you shall be don't fight for you, yes. I'm gonna talk true. You don't fight for you. You won't forget Saga. I don't fight for you because that about drag your product. It be fight because they be paying so much money. You Wednesday, you be the highest place where you don't cause confusion. They are brand for 237. When they talk all of senator no. Wednesday, you know see this silencer. You know if you use your product, make silence. We know you be devil. You. Wendy, don't gossip water for if you hire me like a brand ambassador, I get some problem where you see as I need brand your product fine. You can't contact me and say no hot box. I want to make you advertise me that product 4 times for 1 week. May you make arrangement. You understand? But I don't say what for the vex. I tell you to what for the vex for your heart. If you promise a trip for Waterfall for Dubai, you know satisfy them. I give you an several way to play for Bamuna understand. Waterfall you be promised a trip for Waterfall washer, you know give. Then you go you fear because you know there are a lot of things you promise I want to be camera promise I want to buy paper tire. You know for film. Then you fear that's why you go Waterfall washer go talk say why you need brand my put up fine. Waterfall washer go do it. Go surely talk say no gun say this or you surely vex me. I can't just judge for that place. But I say Waterfall washer be the brand your product. But you know be come YouTube most of the time because you start run saga during that period where if you watch for drag Obina for you the corner. But I dive on attention. I hear for your live show they don't say where Obina call your husband say yes sweet baby. I hear you call for your platform when I will gather the right on that say I know say Obina say the come back anybody the caution make control for caution fine because they come back. Obina cause you move fool. You don't coach me before I enter president move fool. How they move me? They say I hear comment and they say I know say Brenda on hotbox that put the panic as Chris Wandoro say anybody the caution I make caution. I tell them na fact. Na true thing I talk. I want to be for you. When you don't go call the Tibet, he insult this Pekin. He complain all bad thing. I call now Pekin. When I slap me, when I give me slap. Hey, this one they call man Pekin. When I give me slap, this tandong where you see H for your finger them. He go call the Tibet. He talk all kind of rubbish for the Tibet. My drag una attention small. You know, say be present for that bedeno. Una remember, if you look that environment, they be talk say so new brand they come. I want to understand that's why they play. Who's how they go? They be say some new brand, it come. That brand, the should not mixing. Ghana, they should not mixing for that brand. You understand? I don't want to go further for that place. Me they put the same, they cut up because if I talk, they could not say my Congo. Ganda, when do the finish you? When do that be the talk of phone for consent? Talk of the Tibet. You don't always see like the Tibet no. So the Tibet be tell them say he be lie. Them say he no go take the product. Say no go take the brand. He go give am for different man. I hope so that they get me. Say go give am for different man. So when if you get a seller's mistake, them say what I do a lot of mistake there for you. You know and talk what I because you know say never for few what I for 1 or 2 things them. Don't get misunderstanding. No doubt about that. No shall not argue. You know get doubt, you know get problem for that, but all place the get problem, no get problem. But when do the own fault be there because wait, when do not be fulfill brand zero na be sign am. I don't know how on a brand understand or not. So when do not insult to now for your mommy fine insult to for the vessel where that they go now for the how they call it bed they go easily now seal the tina. You understand no? They easily now seal am. Then now it get as the play. You know who saw they go water for washer. I come for Tuesday. I be hot box. I be beshkele. I be okpo. So when I see this serpent, when I see this snake, we I the wipe so the fall. Wednesday. It don't damage water for wash, but it save you right. Anything when you think is tired at touch I go stink you like manawa. That's what the life is day. Then another question we're gonna they argue between themselves now they know say now Obina don't married because we talk they doubt them. So they have for Ghana they doubt whether truly them whatever was love Obina or you want just find a way for America. Now we place 2 things them important things there for life. We place married and we place America. America now you pay 50 to go America. You pay 50 to enter heaven. If they America you pay now 50 enter heaven. I mean, I be negotiate the price. They pay 50 enter heaven. So married people woman in life, we don't reach a certain age, you fight for marriage, especially we don't feel born. So the kind of don't meet up with a full and I don't see Obin and Nasa say, okay, now America, this way you reach heaven, you go to church again. Then now married this way, you don't bump picking over married, you don't adopt them to different side. So you don't see the 2 things of your life. So Ghana they doubt that they might clear on a point, Ghana on a weight. Hot box. We're not doubt because I see a lot of over doubt. So I can't ever clear that now. Not argue for about what back clear for now. What a fool shall love married. When I say woman where it go be for 5 years. For 1 year you get 2 engagement for 1 year. 2 boy there for 3 boy there for 1 year. No say he lying married. No. What a fool shall you know me and you. No me and you know say no forget about saga. You lying married. When you sleep with your bed you reflect who go marry you and how why never you married or your friend don't married. You don't move belly. You don't think them. You don't force them. Maybe hold chair by force. Because you say they want married. You know that once you like married. Now you act fine way for come America. You yet now we talk about say want to no get paper. You know you play for your head. You say even work a PA carriage, but the problem is when they marry you now you come for the America. You go stay for the America. It's a question. You go stay for the America because not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. We all do that same thing for them. Then you end with CS. It end with yes. I ask you a question. So Ghana don't over worry on herself because they say truly so Ghana say truly say they basically they keep talking to so now Obina really engaged picking na tawe na Obina corner so want to go confirm and say truth no na Obina engaged with a full washer. So how they call this woman Wendy. If you know if you take their snake way for camp the pain. When I say now senator a brand because of the media. Your own brand because a lot of confusion. But with time, I got to bring her for una doorstep. May una see the level of the way this woman the Congosa. This woman they talk now only with the Veshela, the Congosa with other grandmas because they get sub cam them for Ghana. Una cut me anywhere. Also una cut me anywhere. But before I finish do what I for, I'm dive on a mind small. Pepper them. Oh, famous. Rich and famous auntie. When I say be promise we say it go be for birthday. I will give una reason why no be day birthday. I never give una I be hot box. I be una legit Congosa pluck. Any sawe Congosa they una know I did for them na for play. Na for Congo I Congosa man private I Congosa natue no yeah. Updating. Updating Kongosa. Don't attack me updating Kongosa for comment section. So he no go for that birthday because he be get a vacation for go do for Cameroon. But as I see when my drone for no wait he do for Cameroon. But none of my concern, na grand say when none of my concern. But I want to give una wiggs because they over ask and say why Pepe them no be there for birthday. They don't ask them. So me I can't ever answer when I say wait say now because it be good to go Cameroon. Now the question on that way to go answer for Nana say don't go Cameroon. The problem I say it there for 5-star hotel because make I understand for 237 community media space say it be na for 5-star hotel for America here. It do na so live flash be rich auntie. But I ask the question again I'll answer and say it there for Cameroon so they na for 5-star hotel. Me I answer and no. You don't understand? No. You know they for 5-star hotel, but now a rich and famous auntie. No, now a rich and famous auntie, but you know they for 5-star hotel. No, no problem. You know they for 5-star hotel. The Congo where they meet me and say they didn't have some place where the people the woman don't start to complain say the environment no clean. I know me I talk am. I just hear the Congo the thing for now. I see me I don't want to make Congo sour. Oh, no, want to leave Congo me sour. If I want a man to leave Congo, something so, and I just tell me one time. I want to declare out for my table. Just declare them. Now, another question, another thing I say with him. Waterful washer. I hear you they talk something for back with Congo. They want me, only know how they relate waterful washer. I want me to relate. You understand now? You don't tell me my bona for kosher or cut your mommy boom, they speak cut the clitoris. You know deserve for get clitoris or cut them. You understand? Or drag and cut them. You understand now? Yes. Waterful washer. Why you know be snap picture with the Tibet during that time with the Tibet that December period is a question. People are say wait to be December be mean December the Tibet they Cameroon for December time. When remember say first can't tell when I say the metis we don't go thief foul they go make some small thing for the Tibet yet. I don't tell when at that time no. Yes, the Tibet mami be reject them because it want them to be present for the married everything like backward them as I be here. So now they be go Cameroon, they can post that picture that a white shoe they know, whether that coat they know, they be go Cameroon, right? They be go snap picture, so want to be turn yash. When I ask and say, what if shall be present? It be happy to be present for the occasion at the year. Why you know be snap picture them? He post for social and say, mother, congratulations for your marriage. Why he go on the Tibet he post will be posted for that wedding picture, congratulations on the way be they Cameroon. When I use una heads. When I use una heads. What if shall say don't confirm for background. Way as time they go, what about the bring an update? So much I just want to understand it. Why we be post the Tibet during that period for December period, and they don't be get problem that time. Not misquote me. They don't be get problem. They be didn't fine. Yes, but now Waterful washer get the reason why be post the Tibet as the Waterful washer they plan the Tibet to the street. Okay, my people. Now, the other small mother and daughter too, they have to go social media. Nana, Auntie Sylvie now with Belinda. We know who be Belinda. Belinda picking Auntie Sylvie. Auntie Belinda don't help Auntie Sylvie. Auntie Sylvie don't help Belinda for 1 or 2 way them. Now Auntie Sylvie say come on for saga. But what done for social media? I say Auntie Sylvie posting the talk, the talk. Belinda, you the bite, you the blow. Belinda, you the do this. We don't say. So they meet me and say now Belinda be settle problem between Dolly and Auntie Sylvie. Now the Congosa will meet me. So I can't take Ghana. They made them know Dolly because Dolly a place there with Congosa. No, Dolly say a light camera. Grand say I play day. Anybody try play Dolly Congosa no. Grand say I play day. No. Grand say day. Grand say the enter like snakes to air after I drink I wash her off. Grand say I respect you for that because without you are not going Congosa. So now we would expect World War 7 because it go bad. Because I say Auntie Sylvie they show talk for Belinda when I mommy. But of course I for yeah, oh mommy they show talk. Well, mother hand the cover we she know one corner. So Auntie Sylvie I don't know what's the play. People say no, Auntie Sylvie even discuss with about saga anymore. I just on social media where they give all place the show talk. So I don't know say Auntie Sylvie, Melinash and Dolly, they mommy than that with Belinda, you understand? No? So the past way I go see I just speculate. Say if you see B say this Congosa must involve Ngono. Ngono name go must enter the Congosa. Something then they phone me and say that no. And this video for that post the caution the tacta put their name there no. So grand secretary say Sylvie no mix me for that thing. Sylvie say no, I'm gonna mix you. See this this I don't know Sylvie. So we say I must mix you for the Kongosa. So you can't go up, you don't Kongosa, you just say I must mix you. They go talk to the other person, tell the other person say you post video, you know, bring and down. So we're able queen will try to elaborate on more on this. I'll give upper hand for a queen, may elaborate on this. But for as time to see pass, you understand no? I go to keep on an update for Waterful Washer on Tuesday. Waterful Washer. I be hot box. I don't tell you say I be hot box. So the final conclusion of 70 why they fight, the first reason we get out of city now because they plan for 6 Wednesday. They seize that brand for Waterful Washer. So Waterful Washer decide for resign. And it get a proof, a backup. Waterful Washer, me already communicate. You get a backup why you resign before they humiliate you. Then you this very Waterful Washer, you don't confirm and accept, say your mommy, the thief, chop a mother class the money. You the thing they will not talk. You know, so I need the lie. More forget saga, you know. So you be fear that shame, you drop the brand. You can't nobody make enough for war. You use maturity, nobody make enough for war. You drop the brand. The Tibet to get to reason why you vex or bring your own reason why the Tibet the vex because for this point, Waterful Washer vex for brand. Now what else? Now that one of Shams I know, but the main one what the Tibet the vex with Waterful Washer, I could tell now on Tuesday. This is Hotbox 237, always live from the US. Now don't forget. For promote una game, your girl always be humble. It give una the latest updates. If you means for dig past me, I use money for byway. Fine Kongosa, you understand no? So mama me don't have to wire me, ma the fine way. You understand? Now Hotbox.